My name is Alexia Cooper, and I am the CEO of Bell Solar and Electrical Systems. In December of 2018, I was hired on as the Director of Operations for Bell Solar and Electrical Systems, and I took the opportunity that I had at Bell Solar and I kind of ran with it. Like, let's really take this and do something with it. So I believe that in order for our customers to be treated fairly, we need to treat our team members fairly, and they should be rewarded for being on roofs in 110-degree heat.
My name is Breann McCulloch, and I am one of the managing partners and owners here at Bell Solar and Electrical Systems. There's so many things that I love, but mostly I think it's our need and our urgency to bridge the gap between customer satisfaction and construction. We really believe, and we've really bought into the ethos that homeowner is first. I kind of talk about solar as like an equal exchange with benefits. And when you stay with your energy company, you have an equal exchange. You give money, they keep your lights on. But with solar, you have an equal exchange with benefits. You get to leave a better future for your children and their children. There's a goal in sight where eventually you own your own power, and to not be tied to a commodity that continues to inflate is so empowering for homeowners that most everybody I sit with buys in automatically, because everyone can relate to that pain of having to be subjected to the mercy of a rate increase and something that they have no control over. And for me, solar should bring comfort, it should bring peace of mind, it should bring freedoms, it should bring options otherwise that I wouldn't have with my energy company.
I love working in renewable energy because I wake up every day and I feel like I'm making a difference in the world. I love knowing that our partnership with Give Power enables us to help underdeveloped countries around the world have running water and power in places that they've never even seen a light bulb turn on. I wake up every day knowing that I'm making a difference, my team's making a difference, and we're changing the world. Bell Electrical Systems is building a sustainable future by rewiring the world for future generations. And we really believe and know that we're doing that.
I wake up every day with a purpose. This is a cause-oriented business, and so I don't have to motivate my sales team when I communicate that vision properly to them. And everybody here at Bell is bought into that vision that we are rewiring the world, that we are cause-oriented, that we sell our why before our what, and our why is much more important than our what. And our why is homeowner first, clean energy revolution, impacting, a positive impact on our planet, climate change, saving people money, and controlling our power. I mean, how could you not be excited about solar? How could you not be excited about what we do? I don't have to punch in and punch out. For me, if I can take my life out of the hands, and my family's life out of the hands of a commodity that does not serve me or care about me, know my name, know my children's name, and I can control that commodity, man, there's nothing greater. What a powerful thing for families to do and for people to do, and to save them money and to put them in a good position for their future. I sleep very well at night, and I wake up so excited to do what I do.
So being from Las Vegas really gives me a lot of opportunity to see the good and the bad parts, and I'm so fortunate that I get to grow with this city, because this city is booming right now, and providing solar to my community is something that I hold really near and dear to my heart, because to me, having people with having options for their electricity is huge. And growing up, we've never had it here, and now that we actually have the opportunity to choose where our power comes from, it just means a lot to me that I'm able to be a part of that process.
In regards to Las Vegas, I mean, the things that have happened here since 2015, when we went on a complete shutdown and a complete standstill, and 6,000 people in the solar industry were laid off, to watching people use their voice and their power and the power of Nevadans to get out and protest and change those laws and have what we have now. And we're seeing more solar bought in the last couple of years than the last 40 years combined.
So 2020 was a really big year for me personally, because I was able to not only obtain my C2 electrical license, but on the same day I was honored on Forbes 30 under 30 list for energy. The journey of just really all this hard work that I've been putting into this, and blood, sweat, and tears that I've been putting into my company and my team, and pushing ourselves to pass the limits for the last 4 years, being only 25 and being able to say that, and not only that, but being a female in a male-dominated industry, those things are huge for me, and I've never seen them as barriers, but more as stepping stones. So I love empowering those around me by showing them what I was able to accomplish and continuing to achieve more.
I have a lot of women and wives that I sit with in home who are refreshed by the fact that there are 2 women that own and operate this business and that they know that they're in our hands. So I think it's powerful.